How's it going, guys? Cheese here at Cheese and Candy, and I am in Korea. It's 4 a.m. in the morning right now. Candy's already here. She's at her Airbnb, so I gotta find my way. There's no trains running right now. Trains start at 5:30, so keep that in mind if you come here. I gotta catch a bus. I got my ticket, and I gotta find the right bus stop. Hopefully I won't get lost. Really hope I got on the right bus because I'm the only one here. Everyone's lining up for a different bus. So I'm in Seoul now. Took a bus and taxi ride, short taxi ride. And I'm trying to find our Airbnb. It's a little complicated because all the taxi drivers don't know how to speak English here. So trying to find our place. Kinda looks like this, but I'm not 100% sure. Hello? I'm outside the store. You guys past the silver door? Can you come down and get me? Yeah. We're walking around the streets right now. We're going to... Where are we going? Bukchon?
Where are we going about this?
Something village.
Yeah, take out the...
Bukchon village?
Bukchon Hanok village.
So we're going to an old village, check out the traditions. And it's a 20-minute walk from our Airbnb. So we got a nice and close place. And yeah, this is Korea, everybody. We're in Bukchon Hanok village. Can I get a phone?
Oh, I did not make that one yet. Yeah, it's really good.
Everything looks super spicy here.
It's like,
Let's catch up. Good. Okay, so apparently there's no garbage cans anywhere around in Korea, so you're gonna hold all your garbage.
Not anywhere, just very
They're
rare.
really hard to find.
Ooh, that looks so good.
What?
I'm gonna get the apple.
Oh man, avocado scrambled egg.
Cheers.
Salud. Good?
Very sweet. It's savory. It's very savory. It's a good breakfast. Wake up, give you energy kind of thing.
Avocados.
Yeah, the food's pretty cheap here, so you can eat pretty much anything you like. Before we go to the Gyeongbokgun Palace, we're gonna find some food. And Candy's sister Alicia has a recommendation for us to try out some traditional chicken soup. Apparently it's a well-known restaurant and there might be lineups, but we'll see. We're pretty early. Cheers! Man, that's pretty strong. So the verdict on the 3 soups, we got one clean one, one hearty one, and one traditional. Traditional one is black chicken. It tastes really pretty good. And the other 2, one tastes just like a regular chicken soup. The other one tastes very hearty. They're all really good though. now at the Namdaemun Market. Oh, I think this is the drink. Because every stand has this thing.
Oh yeah, it is called sushi.
Sikkei. This one?
Special dumpling.
7 piece 10,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Every
Which one do you want to try?
That one. That one.
choice.
The deep fry one? That one.
That one?
Spicy.
Oh, spicy?
Shrimp and
Oh,
kimchi.
spicy.
What about this one?
No spicy.
Okay.
And pork.
It's kimchi. One of
Pork
these.
then.
Yeah.
The one?
Yeah.
Yeah, one.
Well, you should choose what you want.
Spicy. Okay. Two.
I got 3 more.
I want to try one of these.
Korean beef.
Yeah.
Yeah, one. One. 2 piece.
What's here?
Spicy pork. No spicy pork. Spicy pork. One more.
Cheese?
You want to try this?
Yeah, sure.
Pork, spicy pork. Okay. Good.
Actually, I already had this, remember?
It's got kimchi and shrimp in it. Deep fried in like a gyoza. It's pretty good. Just take whatever, man. Doesn't matter. How's it taste? Is it spicy? Or no?
This is not spicy.
Says the Indian guy.
It's good though. The pork one is the better one of all that I tried there.
This is the bar district. So we decided to eat some real Korean barbecue. There's 2 places, one of which is this one, but I think the other place had more people, so we're gonna go check that one out.
Also, this one that we just passed marked out their prices.
Oh,
So that's sketchy.
yeah, it's not all you can eat, it's a la carte, so you gotta pick and choose your places. We're at the Namdaemun night market, and Candy just bought a cup of fruit.
The only healthy thing I've found so far.
Yeah, there's a lot of fried fruits here, so she got some fruits to balance it out. And it's a Monday, so it's not too busy here. This is supposed to open at 11 p.m. It's only 9 o'clock right now, so half the stuff's still closed.
I think some of the shops are opening at 11, but not all. Nom 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 nom.